In this video, we are going to learn how to install Terraform in Windows 10 and add it to the Windows system path variable. At first, download the appropriate version of Terraform from Haziq's download page. I'll provide the link in the description. Download the installer for Windows. In my case, it is the Windows 64-bit version. Now let it download. Meanwhile, make a folder on your C drive where you can put the Terraform executable. I am naming it as Terraform. Once downloaded, copy the zip file from the downloads page and paste it into the directory you created in C drive. Now extract the zip here. Excellent. Next, we need to add Terraform executable into system path variable. Okay, now search for variable in Windows search bar. From the search result, click on Edit the system environment variables. Now click on Environment Variables. Click Edit. Now click on New. Enter the path where your terraform.exe file is located. In my case, it is C Terraform. I'll copy it and paste it into system variable path. Now click on OK. Again OK. Once again. Cool. At last, open command prompt and type Terraform version. Now hit enter. Now this will show you the Terraform version that is installed in your system. It might take some time. Here is the Terraform version. Now this completes the installation of Terraform in Windows 10. Thank you.